Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your foggy yellowish headlights, and we're going to use today the kit from Sylvania restoration kit. I'm going to show you what's inside. So we have instructions how to use it. We have a sandpaper 2400 and 1000. We have polish compound or the clarifying compound. We have UV black clear coat, and we do have surface activator, and also we have a cloth, paper towels that we're going to be using it. Okay, first I'm going to tape the area. First I'm going to apply the surface activator. So I'm going to use just a little bit to get everything covered, and then I'm going to let it sit for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to wash it with the water, and then I'm going to proceed with 400 grade sandpaper to start sanding this headlight. Just like that. Now I'm gonna wet it again, and I'm gonna wet the sandpaper too. And I'm gonna start sanding. Now we're gonna use 1000 and basically repeat the same process. Wash out again. And now we're gonna use 2000. Now I'm gonna open this clarifying compound. I'm gonna add a little bit to the paper, and then I'm gonna start doing the circular motions, basically polishing with this compound. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it again. I'm gonna apply again the surface activator for 30 seconds again. Now for UV protection, we're gonna have to take this tape off and dry completely headlights. Make sure no moisture, no water, nothing. All right. Don't spill like I did. And here we go. You want to overlap a little bit while you do this.